can't do this anymore. Another 50,000 rupees for 1 weekend of photoshoots? I haven't even paid for the ads yet.
Still paying for studios and models in 2026? You're working too hard.
What's the choice? Without professional photos, nobody buys. But these photographers and models are eating my entire margin.
You don't need a studio. You need LovPics. Look at this. You just upload your product photo, and the AI fashion studio gives you professional models in seconds. No bookings, no hair and makeup, no drama.
Wait, I can change the model's ethnicity and the background? Is that a 360-degree view?
Exactly. Banners, product shoots, even 360-degree views for your store. It costs a fraction of what you just spent.
I'm saving my business today. LovPics, right?
Right. Stop spending, start creating. Transform your business today with LovPics. Try it now at lovepics.com.